The varied colors and the molding techniques gives the pottery of this region an unparalleled distinctiveness. The traditional bell metal casting, popularly known as dokra, is another speciality of this region. Known for its primitive simplicity, this art style is a speciality of the semi-tribal communities of this region. The art of wood carving also flourishes in many parts of Chattisgarh. The beautifully embellished wooden ceilings, doors and lintels with finely carved designs stand as a testimony to the artistic excellence of its people.
कला तो वास्तविक होता है, उसमें मतलब वो बनावटी नहीं होना चाहिए, वास्तविक रहना चाहिए। भले लोगों को देखें, उसमें कभी कभी शायद लोगों को लगे कुछ खराब, लेकिन वो कलाकार क्या सोचता है कि वो पूरा सब चीज वास्तविक होना चाहिए।